Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make mozzarella and bacon stuffed chicken breast. This is a tasty Sunday dinner idea that once you get the hang of, you'll want to make every week. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get to the video. So the ingredients we're going to need for this recipe are chicken breast, which I'm going to show you how to season up in a minute, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese spread, preferably onion and chives flavored, all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, eggs, and last but not least, bacon. The full recipe and all the quantities are in the description. The first thing we're going to do is season our chicken with garlic and herb seasoning, cayenne pepper, all-purpose seasoning, Mrs. Dash, and finally salt. Then we're going to use our hands and combine. While the chicken breasts are marinating, we're going to fry our bacon strips. We're going to fry one more bacon strip than the number of chicken breasts we have. So if you have 5 chicken breasts, you're going to fry 6 bacon strips. And since I have 3 chicken breasts, I'm going to fry 4 bacon strips. The extra bacon will be used as garnish. At this point, we're going to butterfly our chicken breasts. What this means is that we're going to cut the chicken in half from the fatter side to the thinner side, being careful not to cut all the way through. Then we're going to open it up like a book, giving it a shape that resembles that of a butterfly. Now we're going to take a teaspoon of the cream cheese spread and spread it evenly across the insides of the chicken breast. Now we're going to cut a square of cheese, small enough to fit inside the chicken breast, and wrap it with a strip of bacon. Now we're going to close the chicken breast, and to make sure everything stays inside, we're going to pin around the edges with toothpicks. I usually use about 4. Now we're going to repeat the process for the remainder of chicken breasts. Remember, cream cheese, then bacon and mozzarella, then close and pin with toothpicks. At this point, we're going to grease a clean baking dish, then place it near our chicken breast. Now it's time to bread our chicken breasts. We're going to coat it in this order: flour, then eggs, and finally breadcrumbs. Then we're going to place it into our greased baking dish and repeat the process for the remainder of chicken breasts. Now we're going to cover a baking dish with foil and transfer it to the oven to let it bake for 30 to 45 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The time it takes to bake will depend on the size of the chicken breast. I took mine out after 40 minutes and it was breaded cheesy goodness. All that's left to do now is remove the toothpicks, garnish with bacon bits and double cream, and serve. Enjoy! If you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Until next time, walk good.